Well, Luke, checking timing marks on EZ. For everyone else that's watching, the vehicle I'm talking about is going to get a new one of these, and there are marks on this, but we don't need to worry about marks. What we're going to do is we're going to line up the marks on this pulley with that mark in there, that dent. It's like a lip there, pokey up bit. And the other one is over here. Let's see. See, there it is, that one there. And there's TDC, and there's the mark on the front pulley. Now clearly, this is already past TDC, so I'm going to just turn the engine over. See, there's a left cam mark on this belt. Forget about that, don't worry about it, okay? Because that will probably not line up. What we're just going to do is we're going to catch the little notches. Now, if your front pulley is delaminated, then this is something that could catch you out. So here's my timing mark coming around. See where it is? Mark on the 0. We come up here, and we're going to get right in here. It's going to be a little bit tricky to see. I'll zoom in. There it is. See, there's the mark there. There's actually a little dit. And there's one at the back as well. Okay, there is a mark back in there. So again, if I get this cover, and I'm just going to be a little bit vicious here. Let's see. We've got the back. Okay, see, I have yellowed mine up, and it lines up with the. It's actually yellow. It looks like it's white there, but so this mark here with that there, so that is lining up correctly. Okay. I'm going to do the same over here. And this time, so there's the mark at the front. That's good. There is a mark at the back. Maybe I could whip that out, eh? We'll whip that out and I can just pull that out of the way and we can see down in there better. But there's the mark at the back, showing there, and there's a little dit, a little notch in that pulley there. You can see, look, that one's saying it's the crank there, but it isn't. Don't worry about the marks on the belt. Go on the pulleys. Just hold there. I'll come back. We're just going to get this bolt out of the way and double check. Okay, so I'm pulling this out of the way. There's the mark there. Okay, and it lines up. It's really hard to see with that mark in there. Okay, so that's where the marks are. If you're worried, get your twin pin out and draw across the line. Okay, so I could actually turn it backwards, or you could bring it round. I could turn this one back, and I could pull this one forward. I could put a line across and then turn it back. I don't recommend turning the engine backwards, but there to there.